Claude wrote this professional cover letter, tailored to the role and free to download as a PDF. Let me show you how. Open Claude and just type, "I want to write a cover letter." Claude asks what type of output you need. Two options show up, Word document or plain text. I want a downloadable PDF, so I'll type it in the text box at the bottom. And move to the next question. Now it asks if you have a specific job in mind. I'll select yes. This is what makes the cover letter tailored instead of generic. Claude now asks for the details it needs. Click the plus button and attach your resume as a PDF or just in plain text. Then I'll give it a short formatting instruction at the top, and below that, add the job description. If you want to use the same prompt, it's in the description. Hit send and let Claude work. And here it is, a complete professional cover letter. Clean header, one page, and look at how specific this is. It pulled real numbers straight from the resume. 100,000 daily active users, cut page load times by more than 40%, and matched them directly to what this job is asking for. This is exactly what a recruiter wants to see. Not generic statements, specific achievements that prove you can do the job. If you want to adjust anything, just ask Claude to change it. Once you're happy, hit download and your PDF is ready. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.